Looking for the perfect chocolate cake recipe? You're in the right place. Today, we're making a super moist and flavor packed chocolatey cake. First up, let's brew a cup of coffee. Now, you might be wondering why add coffee to a chocolate cake. Well, coffee intensifies the chocolate flavor, it blooms the cocoa powder, and helps create a tender, moist crumb. Next, grab a mixing bowl and whisk together your buttermilk, eggs, vegetable oil, and vanilla, and beat until well combined. In another bowl, we're sifting together our all purpose flour, our sugars, some cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Sifting is optional, but it does help to aerate your dry ingredients, giving you a lighter, fluffier cake. Now make a small well in your dry ingredients and pour in your wet ingredients. Give it a gentle mix. Remember, we're not making bread, so be easy with the mixing to keep your cake nice and tender. Now, here's the magic part. Slowly stir in that delicious brewed coffee until the batter is oh so smooth. Although a few lumps are okay. Pour that gorgeous batter into a greased 10-inch square pan and pop it into a preheated 350-degree oven. Bake it for 30 to 35 minutes or until the top springs back when lightly tapped, or when a toothpick inserted comes out clean or with a few moist crumbs. While our cake is cooling, let's make some chocolate frosting. Beat some softened butter until creamy. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure you scrape down the bowl as necessary. Gradually add in some sifted powdered sugar and cocoa powder. We're going to alternate this with heavy whipping cream and a splash of vanilla. You could also use half and half or whole milk. We're going to beat this until it's irresistibly spreadable. Drop a brown heart in the comments if you love chocolate. I guarantee you will love this cake. It's super chocolatey, has a deep, rich chocolate flavor, and it's super soft and tender. Now, once our cake is cooled completely, spread that luscious frosting over the top with an offset spatula. I like to add some chocolate shavings around the border for a little zhuzh, a little extra touch of chocolatey goodness. Allow the cake to set for about 30 minutes for easier slicing. And there you have it, your very own homemade chocolate cake that was easy to make, supremely moist, and flavor packed. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the link below for the full recipe and for more tips on my blog. Keep baking with love, and I will see you next time. Bye.